Bruh, I am fucking pissed. I'm pissed. What's good, YouTube? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy, back again on this little muggy Saturday morning, man. I overslept and I done had a morning already. You did? Like, dog, Sprint ain't sent my money direct deposit so I can get the Spongebob. So I've been running around trying to cash a check. I ain't cashed a check in so long, but I finally got to it. Then when I cashed a check, I had to go back to my house because god doggone, I left my other wallet home. I got two wallets. I don't know why I got two wallets. Left my other wallet home. But anyway, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy. We on the road to 2K, and we moving up pretty quick, man. You know, slow and steady wins the race. So ain't no big deal, ain't no rush, but we just on the road to 2K, man. About to pick up these Kyries. Hopefully they still got all the pairs. I got up early to see if it was in line, but we here now, so let's see what we got left at least in the mall where I be at. Let's see what we got left. Bruh, I am fucking pissed. I'm pissed. So last night I went to the store to put my SpongeBob and my Mr. Crab up. And boy, I sold my sneaker, man. I sold my sneaker. The only thing they left me with was the Sandys, and we got the Squidwards in a damn 11 and a half. I can't do 11 and a half of them Kyrie 5s because they too tight. So I know they ain't that Carolina place, man. I gotta call around. I gotta find somebody, because this don't make no sense right here, man. Like, bruh, I'm real life about to cry because I had my mind set on them sneakers. I don't know what to say. I don't even want to vlog no more. These resellers, man, y'all not Kyrie fans. Y'all don't play ball. Like, why, man? Bruh, I am literally driving around Charlotte hunting for the dang on Mr. Krabs and SpongeBob. Oh my God. I just took the Sandys out the back. The Sandys look good. They look good. But, bro, y'all don't even hoop. Y'all don't even like Kyrie. Why? Oh my God, man. Y'all kill me. But I just hit some people. I got a SpongeBob in Fayetteville, but I got to work at 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna have to get up early tomorrow morning and go to Fayetteville. The Mr. Krabs going for like $250 right now on StockX. Right now, it's 12 o'clock. $250. Y'all niggas make me sick. And if this car in front of me don't go so I can get my damn oil change, oh my God, bro, I'm about to turn Super Saiyan, bro. I'm hot. Like, I shouldn't go to work, man. I can't believe my manager did that, man. He was like, you gonna kill me. Bruh sold my SpongeBob and my Mr. Krab, man. So this video gonna be like 2 days, over a 2-day span, because I need them Mr. Krabs, dog. I just hit up Break. Break said he gonna look out for me, see what he can find. But everybody on Sneakers app, everybody that camped out, or not even camped out, line up in the store, get the fuck out the way. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm sorry. Oh my, I'm hot, y'all. Like, I'm on a wild goose chase right now. Like, y'all don't even want to wear that. I want to wear my shoes. Oh my God, I could punch somebody right now. Bruh, when I tell y'all, y'all make me sick. Like, bruh. Hype beasts, I can't stand y'all. Resellers, I ain't got no problem with resellers. I do a little bit of reselling here and there. But y'all hype beasts, y'all kill me. Nobody, I haven't seen anybody on YouTube that say they rock with Kyrie as a basketball player or they rock with his sneakers. Y'all know me, I've been in the game for a year and maybe three or 4 months. I'm gonna say a year and 3 months. That's all I talk about. I got a decent Kyrie collection, but you hype beasts, ooh, I could just fight somebody. So I called AWOL. I asked AWOL and IBA, like, yo, could y'all possibly look in y'all malls and see if you can get a size 12 Mr. Krabs. Nobody got a Mr. Krabs. Nobody got a Patrick. Nobody got a Squidward. Shout out to my store for selling my sizes. They sold my Mr. Krab. I wanted to fight on that one. Sold my Mr. Krab. Sold my Patrick. I wanted to fight again. And I had the Patrick for me and my girl, because me and my girl, we got pink and green hoodies in there. We on our AKA shit. Shout out all the AKAs. We on our pink and green-ish. Can't get the Patricks. Can't get the Squidwards. I watch SpongeBob. I'm a Kyrie fan. I love Kyrie. I love his sneakers. But that's it for my rant. Y'all don't understand. I'm 38 hot because I did not get this sneaker. Now the hype beast got them. Y'all don't want them. Y'all just want to sell them. Now, Unbreakable did hit me back, and he said he had a pair for $180, and I was ready to go. He said, he said he'd look out for me. That's my brother. That's my frat brother. Said he was gonna look out for me. He hit me back. As soon as he said that, somebody bought a size 12 back in the store, and I couldn't buy them. My manager was like, nah, and I'm like, bro, they only 110. I don't even care about the discount. Like, I don't care about the swipe. I just want the sneaker. Bro said no. Bro told me no. So I had to sell them. Alright, y'all seen the review I did. Now, I ain't gonna lie, these were a last resort, but sometimes I feel like a last resort is always a good thing. I went to South Carolina State on the last resort. I was ready to go to Bethune-Cookman, but my mama hit me with that. How you gonna get money? And black parents, stop doing that. If your kids want to go to college somewhere else, let them go. But I'm glad my mama did hit me with that, because I got friends and family at state that, I consider them family now. But anyway, first up first. I don't know what that was, first up first. Now these are cold, but they ain't them Mr. Krabs. And Mr. Krabs, what everybody wants, just because it's university red and it was patent leather. Y'all kill me with that, man. Like, y'all, something got to change. All right, so we got these Sandy things. I ain't a real big fan of Sandy, but I do kind of like this colorway, all white. This one had more detail to me than the Mr. Krabs. You got the flower, and you got the fur on the tongue. Y'all probably already seen my little review. But I am feeling these. I don't know what I'm gonna wear these with, man. I'm probably gonna get a Brooklyn Kyrie jersey and rock them with the jerseys. Who knows? I may hoop in this one. I don't know. I might just buy another pair. We still got pairs of these in my store. But like I said, I do like these. These are dope. These were slept on. Everybody went after all you hype beasts. I'm tired of all you hype beasts. All you hype beasts make me sick. I'm sorry. Just like with the satin ones that's coming out this weekend, hype beasts. And I know a store that's doing first come, first serve. I'm about to camp out. I got somebody that's giving me $400 a sneaker. Your boy's on it. I'm trying to get 5 pairs. Bump it. Everybody gonna be mad at me because I ain't spend my money on the Patricks. I ain't spend my money on the Squibbles. I ain't spend my money on the Mr. Krab. So I got a little bit of money to spend this weekend, and I'm gonna flip that bad boy. But here go your Sandys. Y'all know I wear a size 12. I'll show y'all my Kyrie collection. I hope Kyrie see this, man. Somebody tell my boy Kyrie to holler at me, man. I'm a real Kyrie fan. I'm a legit Kyrie fan. I've been rocking with Reek. You feel me? Especially untucked Kyrie, whole different story, man. Alright, and we got this box. Some people said that SBSP stands for SpongeBob SquarePants. I think it stands for SpongeBob Special Project. But anyway, one of the better Kyries that come out this year. I am a fan of these. I wanted the entire pack. Resale is going down, so I may just pay resale for it. I know my girl wanted them Patricks, so I may have to end up going on GOAT or StockX for these. This one I would not hoop in. I probably won't hoop in none of my Kyrie 5s except for the tacos. But this joint right here, I love this high yellow joint. Bruh, this goes without saying, this was one of the dopest collabs non-Jordan collabs of the year. Like, everybody hyped about the Travis Scott. Yeah, Travis Scott's just a money maker, man, and they know what they're doing. But here you go. These things, I call this the Spongebob debacle, because they be holding your boy. Like, I feel like if I'm a fan, I'm going to wear the shoe, not sell it. I should get the sneaker. It shouldn't be any issues. But I always run across issues when it's a sneaker I really, really want. And I'm legit like sick and tired of it. Sneakers out. My store is usually consistent with me getting shoes. They know I'm aware. And I got seniority, so I don't understand what's going on. But here y'all go, man. Y'all don't even know none of the inscription or none of it. Niggas just be buying it just to buy it. Like J. Cole said, y'all don't love stuff you buying. You just like it at the moment. We don't love, we just liking shit here. That's why I rock with Cole, man. Cause Cole, me and Cole, we here. We here. We see eye to eye. That's that Southern consciousness thing. You feel me? But y'all let me know in the comment section below. Did you get the Kyrie that you wanted? I did not. And are you looking forward to the satin ones? Like I said, I know a store that's doing first come first serve, and I'm willing to buy up at least 5 pairs. I'm gonna make my money back. You feel me? Now, I want to thank everybody who's joined me or who like rocking with me, man, because your boy is monetized now. I can't believe it. If you'd have told me a year ago I'd have been monetized, I'd have called you a damn fool or crazy. But that just goes to show hard work, dedication. I mean, I know Snipe got the little saying at the end, everybody want to be famous, but ain't nobody putting in the work. For me, this ain't about fame. This is a passion. I don't care about being famous. If I can make a hobby, if I can have a hobby that makes me wealthy, that's all I'm about. I'm about wealth, man. I'm all about, starting my kids up to my grandkids, to my great-grandkids. Like, I ain't want them to have to work. Like, we want money over here. And that's what it's all about, man. The sponsorships. Like, I want Kyrie to see this, or I want somebody at Nike to see this, because I'm a Nike guy. If I was a professional basketball player, and you ain't got to ask me twice, Jordan, Adidas, bro, give me that swoosh. I want that check, you feel me? But I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy, man. I'm probably going to do a thank you live. Thank everybody. I ain't want to say everybody's names right now, but I will do a live thanking everybody. I mean, from my seed to my growing the tree, whatever you want to call it, man. Like, it's a lot of y'all who has helped mold my YouTube career. Like, this is just the beginning, baby, and I promise y'all would not be disappointed. All right. But anyway, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Like I said, I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy, baby. Sending y'all love, peace. Put some chicken grease on that thing. And Detroit Kings, Anthony Davis is not better than James Harden. Out of here.